On Amazing Kitchen today, it's all about salmon. We will be making an oven-baked salmon in lemon zest marinade. It has cilantro, some spices, and some lemon, and this makes a very simple but refreshing, tasty dish. It goes great over a bed of lettuce, some potato, or even rice. And the lemon balances the fattiness of the fish very well to create a harmonizing flavor that everyone enjoys. Okay, well, if you like the sound of it, now stay tuned and see how it's done. Let's get into cooking. For this dish, we'll start with a nice fresh piece of salmon steak. Whether you like it with bone in or not, it is your choice. Then we'll need a small blender. Here is where we'll make our marinade for this beautiful baked dish. Then to it, we'll add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. I choose dry garlic powder because it has a much more concentrated flavor. But if you like, you can also use fresh garlic. Then to it, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then finally, we'll add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. But if you like, you can substitute it with white peppercorn. I believe black peppercorn gives it a much more pungent flavor. Then we'll need half a lemon worth of juice. After extracting all the juice from this lemon, we'll cut the zest off of this lemon. Then we'll thinly slice it to help the blender with some of that cutting process. This zest will add a lot of refreshing flavor to this dish. Then we'll need some honey. This is fresh farm honey. So we'll just need 2 teaspoons of this. Then we'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll blend this all up quickly. Give it maybe 5 to 10 pulses. Then we can stop this. And to it, we will add some freshly chopped cilantro. The cilantro, if this is not what you like, you can replace it with basil. Basil will give it the same aromatic flavor. Now here's a matter of preference. If you like your herbs to be more seen in the dish, then you just pulse it for about 5 to 10 times and you can stop. In my case, I make sure it produces this beautiful green color. Now with the salmon transferred to a large sheet of aluminum foil, we can add the marinade over our salmon. Just lightly sprinkle on one side, then we can flip it and pour the rest on the other side. Now we'll quickly wrap this to create a tight seal so that we'll bake this in the oven. Now preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Put your salmon in and bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Then once it's ready, you can plate it on a bed of mashed potato or rice or even salad of your choice. In my case, I used mashed potato. Now the dish is complete. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit. Now for a quick taste test, let's see how moist the center is. It's very flaky, very moist, not too dry, just right. Now we'll pick it up with some of that mashed potato. This is so good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you again on the next episode. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't yet. Feel free to share this recipe with your friends and family.